Today's story is The Clever Parrot and the Kind Sparrows. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, there lived a proud parrot named Piku. He had bright green feathers, a red beak, and could speak many words taught by humans. He lived in a cozy golden cage in a big house at the edge of the forest. Not far from the house, a group of cheerful little sparrows lived in a giant banyan tree. They were small, brown, and chirped all day, playing and helping each other find food. One day, a heavy storm hit the forest. The winds howled, and the rain poured down. Piku's cage, which was hanging outside the house, was knocked over by the strong wind, and the door flew open. Piku flapped his wings and, for the first time in his life, flew freely into the forest. But Piku had never lived in the wild before. He didn't know where to find food or how to protect himself. He soon became tired and hungry. Just then, the kind sparrows saw Piku sitting sadly on a branch. "Why do you look so sad?" asked one of the sparrows. "I have never lived outside a cage before. I don't know how to find food or where to sleep," said Piku with a sigh. The sparrows chirped happily. "Don't worry, we will help you." They showed Piku how to peck at grains and drink water from the leaves. They took him to a safe branch where he could rest. Day by day, Piku learned how to live in the forest. He discovered the joy of freedom and friendship. In return, he taught the sparrows some of the words he had learned from humans. One day, a hunter entered the forest, setting traps to catch birds. The sparrows were frightened, but Piku, being clever, had an idea. He flew to the hunter and started speaking like a human. "Go away. This is a magical forest. Leave now." The hunter was shocked to hear a bird talk. Thinking it was a magical place, he quickly packed his things and ran away. The sparrows cheered for Piku. "You are not just a clever parrot, but also a brave friend," they chirped. From that day on, Piku lived happily with his new sparrow friends, enjoying his freedom and learning the true meaning of kindness and courage. Moral of the story: helping others and working together make us stronger and happier.